In this video, we're going to show you how to fix our download shortcut not working on iPhone. All right, so one fix you can do is re-enable the automation. So open Shortcuts app in the lower tab, look for automation, and select the automation that is not working, and look at the toggle that says enable this automation, turn off that, then turn it back on again. Another way you can deal with this is just to restart your device. So restarting your device gives it sufficient time to get things back on track. This is by far the most basic solution that solves many apps not working problems. So if the shortcut app is not working on iPhone, you could just, do this. Another way is just to reset all settings. So to do this, go to settings and then general, then transfer or reset iPhone 15 or 14. After that, tap on reset and then tap on reset all settings and then enter your passcode to finish the process. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon to see you on the next one.